I got one. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to the channel. So, before this video gets started, I want to go ahead and do another giveaway. I think you guys are really going to like this one. And it is right here. And yes, I'm still in Michigan. But, let me grab this. Let me go put it over here. I put it on this bed down here. It is a Mick Tuning rock light kit. I'm going to be giving this away. I have the 4-piece kit of Mick Tuning on my truck already. It's worked flawlessly for the last, I don't know, 4 or 5 months I've had it on. And I'm going to give this away. Let me know in the comments of this video. Let me know you want to be entered. And then make sure you follow me on Instagram. If you already follow me on Instagram, you're good. Just, if I end up picking you, you need to confirm that you're following on both. Subscribed and follow me. At the end of the week, I will announce the winner. I'll keep you guys updated. And I'll announce the winner. As soon as I announce the winner, I will ship this right out the next day. But yeah, it's a nice kit. As I said, it's 8-piece RGB, so basically any color you want. And I have these in the floorboards of my truck and behind the seats, under the seats of the back, in the back, and 4 in the wheel wells of the truck. And they, like I said, they've been flawless through mudding and driving from Florida and all that stuff. They still work flawlessly, and they're actually you know, decently priced. So I'm actually about to head to the store and grab something. Not a regular store. I'm going to O'Reilly's, and I'll be grabbing something that I've been missing on my truck for a long time that I didn't even realize, and it's pretty embarrassing. So it's not too embarrassing, but I'm kind of mad that I haven't had it this whole time. So let's go ahead to the store and we'll get back. I'm going to be installing it. It's something to do with suspension. So you want to go to the store? Let's go. Let's go. Going to the store. Go. You're not going? Let's go. Come on. Going to the store. I got one. Took me literally forever to realize I didn't have one of these. Let's see. Hopefully the wind ain't too bad. I'm going to go ahead and throw this in real quick on the truck. If you're wondering what it is, it's a steering stabilizer. And I'm actually kind of mad that I don't have one on the truck, and I feel dumb for not realizing I don't. It's pretty sad, actually. But basically, if you don't know what these are, they're just meant to kind of, well, do what they say. Stabilize the steering, kind of make it a little tighter. And I believe it would take quite a bit of stress off other parts on the vehicle, because, you know, it's giving it a little bit more strength. And that way there's not like real jerky movements. Say if you're going over big bumps, hit a pothole or something, this is going to help eliminate that like real hard jarring of the suspension. So super easy to install, so that's what I'm going to do real quick. As a lot of you guys know, it goes to the center link. Can you see it from here? Probably can't see it from here. Well, this is the center link right here, and then this hooks to the little cross member. It's right up in here. I'm going to get a better angle for you once I do it, but oh yeah, here's the new Pitman arm is in right there. I'm gonna have to recheck everything, make sure everything's good on that. Should be good for, you know, I gotta make that big long drive to Florida here soon. But let me go grab the tools and I'm gonna get this installed real quick. Small cobalt set in the back of the truck. I'll probably just use that. Alrighty guys, this should be a fairly easy install. So let's get open right. Not really into this. I'm not really making this video to show you the install because it's not really worth showing. It's so easy. But there it is. That's the stabilizer. Here's the bolt that goes in the end. It's gonna go up into the center link, and I actually bought another bolt. You can see it right there. It's a grade 8. I got it at Lowe's. Alright guys, so let's see if I can show you this real quick. If you see up in there, it is in there. Super easy. Let me go in the truck, start it up real quick. Alright, let me flip this real quick around. Alright guys, so I've noticed a lot with the steering stabilizer already. It's all in there installed. It's super easy to install. I kind of showed you what I did to install, kind of just showed you where it mounts to and all that. But it goes from your cross member right there. There's 2 mounting points there. A bolt goes through that, goes through the stabilizer, and the other end of the stabilizer connects to the center link. My center link is a kryptonite one. Very easy to do. But the crazy thing is, I didn't realize what I was missing with one. I didn't realize I didn't have one, which is pretty sad, but I never even thought of it. And so I decided to, well, when I was putting the pitman arm in, I noticed down there, I'm like, I'm missing a steering stabilizer. And I was actually told that a steering stabilizer wouldn't fit with the Cognito braces for the pitman and idler, and so I never thought to get one. So I decided to get one, ran to O'Reilly's, as you guys seen, and a Rancho, you know, pretty cheap, like 60 bucks. And the reason I didn't go with a Bilstein or like a Fox or something like that is the Bilstein one is gas charged, and a lot of people were saying their trucks would pull to the right with it because of that positive charge. So I didn't really want to do that, and a lot of people had great success with the Rancho, so that's why I went with Rancho. But right out of the gate, I've noticed how tight the steering feels. It doesn't feel like I'm driving a big lifted truck. It actually feels like I'm driving just a normal truck. Super tight steering, really effortless to turn. It doesn't feel, I don't know, it was, usually when I would turn this thing, you could kind of feel a lot. You get a lot of feedback in the steering wheel, which I didn't really like that, because I felt like you felt too much. So I didn't like that at all. And like when you go over pothole or just small bumps in the road right now, you don't really feel it much anymore. And before, I would feel almost everything. It wasn't horrible, but it really is amazing how well the truck feels now. So I've been missing out for a while. I'm actually surprised the lift didn't come with one. So, but got one now. I'm gonna kind of show you guys and go down the road here in a second. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do that now. Like right away, everything feels way tighter. The steering wheel, everything, like it feels like it should. I think so. I'm just gonna go ahead and go around the block. Yeah, everything does. Like usually when I would turn, I would feel, you know, when I make the turn, I could feel everything through the steering wheel. It'd want to move back and do this kind of stuff. Now it doesn't really do that. If it does do it, it takes a pretty big bump to do it. So, pretty impressed. I'm just gonna do a quick little ride. Maybe I'll go back here. I won't go all the way back there. Branches are way too low now, and I don't feel like scratching this thing up. But man, it's hot out. It's gotta be, it says it's 70 out. There's no chance it's 70. But let's see. But yeah, guys, I'm still in Michigan. Stayed a little longer than I planned. I'm ready to get back to Florida. I'm gonna be putting this thing to the test for towing. Some of you guys are gonna say it's not that much, but it is. So I'll be towing something pretty heavy. I'm not gonna reveal that just yet. You guys are really gonna like it. So, and I'm gonna be back to posting way more frequent once I'm back in Florida. This is kind of family time up here, and I'm doing my best to get you guys videos every week. I'm kind of slacking still though. But yeah, back to the truck. So yeah, just making like left, right turns, everything feels so much better. It's like, don't feel as much. I don't know, I just really like it. It's hard to really explain. You can't really tell in the video either. Like you're gonna, like I'll see a little movement when I go over, like you'll see it move when I go over bumps a little bit, but before it was like ridiculous. And so definitely happy. I'm just gonna stop rambling on, guys. But yeah, definitely get yourself entered for that rock light kit. Got quite a bit of stuff I want to start giving away. I do a lot of reviews on stuff, and I can't always use everything, so why would I keep it? I'm not gonna sell it. Might as well give back to the people that support the channel, and that's you guys. So definitely leave a comment below and follow me on Instagram. Make sure you're subscribed on the channel, and let me know in the comments that you want to be entered, and you can win one. And also, guys, I did not forget the GoPro giveaway. I'm going to be announcing that when I get home, because I feel bad. Everything, you know, all my plans kind of went out the window when I was up here, so that kind of sucked. But I didn't forget about you, I promise. So all that stuff's still going on. So, but yeah, guys, I'm about to head on back to the house. Just thought I'd share this with you. Quick little video, just kind of explaining and going over to how significant of a difference it was with the steering stabilizer in. And some of you guys probably think I'm dumb for not having one, because I actually think that as well. But definitely impressive. Yeah, guys, I'm about to do another off-roading video, probably the next one after this. And I got a few more X3 videos in me before I head back to Florida. I want to utilize the trails up here before I go back home. Most of the stuff at home is going to be more sand dunes. There's still some mud, but there's not really many trails. So I got to utilize what I got up here before I head back. Right now I'm in the process of trying to find a trailer, an enclosed trailer, or a 7x12 open trailer. It can be bigger. It needs to be at least 6.5 wide, because the Maverick is super wide. So, and the Maverick's 132 inches long. So yeah, guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know it's probably pretty boring. If you enjoyed the video, be on the lookout for the next one, and get yourself entered for that 8-piece rock light kit. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. If you like this video, please give it a like, and we will see you next time.